Start by removing as much hardened wax and debris as possible before any solvent touches the floor. Begin by scraping gently with a plastic putty knife to lift thick wax deposits without gouging the floor. For remaining residue, apply mineral spirits to disposable cloths or rags and work in small sections, rubbing with the grain on wood or along grout lines on tile to avoid streaks. Always wear old clothes and gloves to protect skin, and leave the solvent-soaked rags in a sealed metal container or a water-filled bucket until disposal to prevent fire risk. Replace rags frequently so you are not smearing softened wax back onto cleaned areas, and use fresh cloths for final wiping to remove solvent film. If wax has smeared across thresholds or into grout, agitate gently with a soft bristled brush and repeat solvent wiping rather than increasing pressure. Clean all tools immediately with mineral spirits, and then soap and water to prevent hardened wax on your equipment. Common mistakes start with using excessive heat or sharp metal tools that damage flooring, which should be avoided by relying on plastic scrapers and solvents and testing in an inconspicuous area first. People often try to use the same cloth for the entire job, spreading wax instead of removing it. So always switch to a clean disposable rag when a cloth becomes saturated. Another frequent issue is inadequate ventilation and no protective clothing, which increases inhalation risk and skin exposure. So open windows, use a fan to exhaust fumes outdoors, and wear gloves and old clothing you can discard. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and share real-world cleanup tips after projects like wax ring replacement. Our community discussions let us exchange photos, step-by-step experiences, and contractor recommendations, while contractors use our platform to find work and join conversations about best practices.